Reconditioned heads for Gravener Mark 6 oil mist detector. For testing, the heads are connected to the unit and then we simulate the oil mist with smoke detector testing gas sprayed on the head's path. Apart from hearing the alarm, we can also see the relevant indicator lights on both the head and the unit, as well as the message on the screen. The same process is repeated for the second head. For the third head, as well as the fourth head. It is now clear that all detector heads are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.